Welcome to EduDiva.
In part 2 of nouns, we will learn about functions of nouns. A noun functions as a direct object of a verb, an indirect object of a verb, object of a preposition, or a complement. Let's learn about all the functions of the nouns. The subject can be a person, place, thing, or idea. It performs an act or shows a state of being as expressed by the verb. The subject is easily recognized as it usually comes at the beginning of a sentence and is followed by a verb. Example: the man stepped on my toes. The car smashed into a wall. Noun as direct object. The direct object is a noun in a sentence. The object is acted upon by the subject and it typically comes after the verb. Tom bite his nail. I am painting the doghouse. Noun as indirect object. The indirect object is a noun in a sentence. An indirect object represents a person or thing that receives the effect of the action of the verb. It usually comes between the verb and the direct object. Example: he fed the monkeys bananas. The mother was cooking her family a seafood dinner. Noun as object of a preposition. The object of preposition is a noun in a sentence. The object comes after the preposition as shown here in following examples. Joe broke his nose in a fight. Two puppies followed behind the girl. Bird watching is a favorite hobby of the villagers. Everyone is complaining about the boss. Noun as object of a verbal. A verbal is a word formed from a verb but functions as a noun or an adjective. Only a noun can be an object of a verb, which can be a gerund, an infinitive, or a participle. Example: winning the lottery jackpot was his biggest dream. To escape from the prison was all he wanted. Having found his father's car keys, he demanded a reward. Noun as a predicate complement. The predicate complement is a noun that is joined to the subject of the sentence by a copulative verb. A copulative verb is also known as a linking verb. Example: the tribal chief is the fastest man in the tribe. These two apples are the only rotten ones. Aunt Barbie could be the biggest woman in the neighborhood. Nouns act as an adjective or modifier of the another noun. Words that are usually used as nouns are also used as adjectives, as a separate word preceding the noun or combined with the noun to form a single word. Example: that one looks like a mountain goat. Blowing out the candles, grandmother's denture landed on the birthday cake. He was snoring under a big beach umbrella. Note: a noun must be in the singular form when used as an adjective, as shown above in the examples.
To get full English course, join us at EduDiva Institute. Get it from Play Store. Download our app today. Link given in bio. Thanks for watching the video.